Sometimes I can tell that oh, my children not happy. They are not talking to me. They are not happy. They don't like me. If I don't stop this channel, being a YouTuber. So sometimes I decide to stop my being a YouTuber to make them happy. But what if I'm getting old? I'm already 70 years old. So if I stop being a YouTuber, what would I do for the rest of my life? Sleeping? Eating? So while I go here in the media, guys, being a YouTuber, I can talk to people, I can laugh, sharing the sharing the story of the world.